This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sierra Cluson. Rarely available updated one-bedroom villa in West Shore Village, over $35,000 in improvements completed in 2024 to 2025. This move-in ready single-story condo features the largest LANAI floor plan available for a one-bedroom, offering an impressive 250 square feet of indoor/outdoor living space, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The spacious bedroom easily accommodates a king-sized bed and includes a large walk-in closet for ample storage. The home also includes an attached one-car garage with easy access right outside your front door and is available optionally furnished, excluding a few personal items. Tucked away in Village 4, one of the most desirable and rarely available sections of the community, this home enjoys a tranquil location in the peaceful western corner of the neighborhood. Private gated access to Clam Bayou is just steps from your door, providing direct access to the kayak launch, nature trails, boardwalks, and waterfront observation decks. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the connection to the Skyway bike trail, which links directly to downtown Gulfport and St. Petersburg's vibrant cultural and culinary scenes. West Shore Village is a gated, all-ages community known for its resort-style amenities, including new tennis and pickleball courts, a geothermally heated pool, shuffleboard courts, picnic areas, and a welcoming clubhouse with a full kitchen, library, pool table, and event space. An active entertainment committee hosts regular social events, enhancing the warm sense of community. Conveniently located just minutes from I-275, downtown St. Pete, Gulfport, and world-renowned beaches. Everyday essentials are just around the corner, and a new Sprouts Market is coming soon directly across from the community entrance, opening October 2025. This is a rare opportunity to own an updated villa in a peaceful, amenity-rich setting. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below.